स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver. So guys, we were getting many comments that we are in 12th standard or we are in final year graduation in this current academic year and we want to apply for Maharashtra Law CET. So first question will come into the student mind, are we eligible for that? Because our board exam is not done and final year university exam also is not done. So are we eligible? That is the question. Now this particular problem is been faced by many students, so that is why we have made this video, that to make you aware that what is the eligibility criteria if you are in a 12th standard or final year graduation student, how you can apply for Maharashtra Law CET 3 or 5 years examination. So watch this video till the end and share with your friends also who is facing this same problem. Guys, Maneuver has launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for law entrance examination. So link of this particular channel, it will be given into the description box. Do check the description box and subscribe to this channel also. Now guys, eligibility criteria for Maharashtra LLB 5 years integrated course. This particular eligibility criteria is for those students who are there in 12th standard and who are 12th standard appearing. Okay, so candidate who are appeared for qualifying examination, regular examination of that academic year are also eligible to apply for the entrance examination. That means if you are in a 12th standard and if you are appearing 12th standard and आपने या फिर appear कर लिया है, still you are waiting for the 12th standard results, then also you can write Maharashtra Law CET examination. You are eligible to write, and this particular eligibility criteria, it is made by State Common Entrance Test Cell, that is nothing but Maharashtra CET cell, which is established by Maharashtra government. Now such candidate will be eligible for admission only if they produce provisional degree certificates of qualifying examination and mark list of all part attempt of all qualifying examination at the time of admission. That means आपने 12th कंप्लीट किया, आपके 12th के मार्कशीट्स आ गए, एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर मार्कशीट यू नीड टू सबमिट एट द टाइम ऑफ एडमिशन दैट yes you are past 12th and you have this much amount of percentage. But if you are having below eligibility criteria marks, then you won't be able to get admission. So what is the mark eligibility, we will see also. And while filling online form, if you are appearing 12th standard, then you need to select in the online form, there will be option that appearing for 12th standard, you need to select yes for that. So and then you are eligible to give Maharashtra Law CET examination. Marks required for 12th standard student. So minimum 45% marks in aggregate for open SCBC and economically weaker section. If you are from open category, you need to have 45% marks. Guys, अगर आपका मार्क्स 44.99% है, so it can't be round off to 45%. So it is 44.99 only it is to be considered. So अगर आपका 12th में 44.99 मार्क्स है, देन आपका एडमिशन नहीं होगा. आपको एग्जैक्टली 45 है या 45.00 है, देन ओनली यू विल गेट एडमिशन, या उसके ऊपर है देन यू विल गेट एडमिशन. And for SC and ST category, it is 40% marks. Now for VJNT, SBC, OBC category belonging to state of Maharashtra, minimum 42% marks होना चाहिए. Again guys, ये सारे जो कैटेगरीज के हिसाब से परसेंटेज दिए गए हैं, आपको एग्जैक्टली जितने परसेंट है, लाइक 45% या 40% है, 42% है, if you have dot 45%, you will get admission. More than that also you will get admission. But if you are having 44.99 or 44.50, so 50 cannot be round off to 45%. So you need to have more than 45% or exactly 45%. So make sure that you should get this much amount of marks pertaining to any category, be it open, SC, ST or VJNT, SBC, OBC. Now guys, eligibility criteria for Maharashtra LLB 3 years degree course. Now this particular eligibility criteria is for them who are in a final year semester 6 graduation examination. So candidate who are appeared for the qualifying examination यूजी और पीजी, अंडर ग्रेजुएट और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट में हो, regular examination of that academic year are also eligible to apply for the entrance examination. Graduation final year में हो या post graduation final year में हो, so you are eligible to apply Maharashtra Law CET for 3 years. Such candidates become eligible for the admission only if they produce the provisional degree certificate of the qualifying examination and the mark list of all the parts of qualifying examination at the time of CAP application form. सो सेंट्रलाइज एडमिशन प्रोसेस जब होगा देन आपको सारा प्रोविजनल मार्क्स सर्टिफिकेट्स डिग्री आपको उस कैंप ऑनलाइन प्रोसेस में सबमिट करना पड़ेगा. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सबमिट दोज मार्कशीट देन योर एडमिशन वोंट बी देयर एंड यू वोंट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ CAP admission process, that is centralized admission process. And also apart from graduation degree, whatever marks eligibility criteria is there, you should cross that eligibility criteria also. If you are below mark eligibility criteria, then also you won't be able to get admission in law college. So marks required for graduation student, so minimum 45% marks in a aggregate for open SCBC and economically weaker section. So and for SC ST it is 40% and VJNT, SBC and OBC it is need to be 42%. If you are having more than 45%, then you are eligible to get admission in law college. If you are having below 45% or below 40% or below 42%, then you won't be able to get admission in law college. Again, if you are having 44.99%, then it can't be round off as 45%. If you are having 39.99%, then it can't be round off as 40%. So this is one of the most important thing. You need to get 40% exact, that is 40.00% or more than 40%, then only you will get admission in law college. If you are targeting Maharashtra Law CET 3 years or 5 years, if you are dreaming to become a lawyer, then you need to give Maharashtra Law CET examination. For that, you can join our online program. You can order books, mock tests, sectional course, full course. You can also attend live lectures. For online program, you can call on our board line number 8828581455. You can also visit to our website manuaredu.com/law entrance. We have classroom preparation at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Dadar, Vasai. Friends, this is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.